Hi guys, how are you? So this is an interview in RT Radio 1, the Brendan O'Connor show, and it was all about the vouchers and do we actually get great value for the vouchers. Aldi commissioned this survey and it basically said that people were spending over €500 extra a year in the shopping when they were chasing, the specials and the vouchers. And a lady actually messaged in and I thought it was really interesting, was really good. She said that it was that when she goes to do that, she spends on essentials. I thought it was a great idea. She spends on her essentials when she wants to go and get the specials like that. So maybe €50 worth of essential goods that are going to last you quite a while. I just thought that was really smart actually. Obviously, if you have the right supermarket and you know that the essentials in there that you want are going to last you a good while and it'll really work for your family, then that's good. But what we do know is when you do go and stick to one supermarket, like I said before, it just means that you're not being loyal to your money and you're not being loyal to your money at all. You're not being loyal to your budget. So I'm just in Woodies and I'm looking at planed timber because I'm looking to do a bit of paneling on the wall, but it looks very, I don't know. I'm thinking of getting my dad to get the plywood and then just cut it into the strips because you can see it'll add up to a lot, and I'd say I need about 6 of these. So that's 6 times 40. That is, God, what's that, 240 euro. Add it all out, add it up, I don't know, 6 4 6 12 18, yeah, 240. Like this would be the width that I'm looking for. But it's $6.99 for just pack one. Oh, it's just one quantity in it. And then you have kind of like the half ones there, which is the pack of 8, and it's $22.99. So at least I'll know the price in Woodies. I'll go around and see. There's a timber yard at the back here, so I'm gonna go in and ask them, do they have it? At least I'll know the size that I want now, which is 9 times 46. Length 2.4 meters. Guys, why do I always pick hard things to do? I don't know. My God, guys, so there's a piece of furniture that I have to go and get. I'm starting to do the sitting room up, so get ready for loads of DIY. That's going to be splattered all over my videos. I'm doing it. I'm taking me time. I'm going to do it. But I need a van. I have to get 2 pieces of furniture. I need a van. Can't get a hold of anybody to help me. Never drove a van before. So I went with Go Car, and it's like €28 for 2 hours. If I was to get someone to do it for me, it would be at least €80 or €60, or a friend is even €50. So I'm going to see how that works out. If I could get the bits into the van, they're 2 big wardrobes, and I'm doing a project on them, and it's to show you all, but it'd be good. It's really for me, but I want to show you obviously while I'm doing it, because I think it'd be a really helpful thing for people, especially that live in small houses. It might be a little thing, maybe it's not, I don't know, but it's what I'm doing anyway. Well, I have to go and get the wardrobe, and I have to go 9 minutes to get the van, and I am so scared because, oh my God, guys, I'll show you the van. All right, there it is right there. I got into the van, and this was meant to be a really empowering story. Female empowering. She gets the wardrobes herself. She's in the van. She's driving a van. She don't need nobody to drive a van for her. Guys, I was in the van for like 2 minutes and I was sweating. I turned it on and the van went, ugh. I was like, no. It was like, you need to press the clutch to start the van. What? What? I rang my dad first. He wouldn't answer the phone. I rang my brother then, and he was like, wetting himself laughing. I'd say he was like, and literally he was like, I'm getting in the car now. I think I'm coming up now. because I was like, I'm not driving this van. I'm not driving this van. He's like, why didn't you ring me? He could actually got a van at work, but they just have a new baby, and you know, you're like, I'm trying to be independent and do things on my own, because I do a lot on my own. But one thing I'm not good at, guys, is driving. I'm not good at driving, and he's gonna give me jokes now for it. And anyway, I needed help to get the wardrobes in. I was getting 2 wardrobes on my own. Makes no sense. But I can't drive that van. I got as far as sitting in it, but I can't drive it. Yeah, I'll sit in my little car and I'll drive my little car, and I'm happy out, but I'm not at that point yet. It's the mirrors and everything. I feel like I need to be down on the beach where I learned to drive and just be going around in it for a few times, not like in a car park and with real cars around me. So he has a go-kart membership, so he's gonna do it on his instead of me. Oh my God, everything has to be 20 times harder when it comes to me. Lads, like, I'm sorry, I can't be female empowerment, okay? There's no female empowerment here, okay? Because I can't do it. I can't do it. I cannot do it. I cannot do it, okay? I can't do it. Let's see, I'm waiting for him anyway. I'm going to get in anyway and wait. Okay, guys, so I got 2 wardrobes in. That's wardrobe number 1. And this is wardrobe number 2. Okay, can you close, please? Stop being so rude. Bloody haunted already. One of them is going to be for my bedroom, and one's going to be a pantry. But I don't know which one it should be. I'm thinking this one. I like the simplicity of this one, but I think that I'd like to look at that in my bedroom more and it'd fit all my clothes. That's brilliant. The corner wardrobe I got that secondhand as well, and I just don't like it. I've painted it, I just don't like the way it is. But this one, I need to find the key and show you inside. I think it could be actually just brilliant. And all I'm looking to do is just sand it right down and stain it. Like, just really simple, nothing fancy with it. Just simplify it. Get this off. Put a simple, like a nice knob on it. Take that out, maybe spray it gold or black or something, and just keep it really simple. I love the way the legs go like that. I think it's lovely. The top of it is what I don't really like, but I think it's brilliant. I just need to find the key now, because that would be quite a lot of waste. So funny, guys. So me and my brother, we actually ended up going to, I know it's a mess in there. Me and my brother had to call my brother. He came. We went over and got the wardrobe. Your man was gas as well. And my brother is just literally after giving up on me. He's like, what the hell? Came back. My phone died. That's why I couldn't show you. My phone died. Then the charger wouldn't work. And then the time was coming up. But I have to say, it cost me €31 all in to get 2 wardrobes, and that was the travel. I think go-kart is brilliant for journeys like that. I've often been stuck looking for a van. Okay, I'm still not going to be able to drive it, but it just shows that all I need is a driver. I have the van. And they have to be registered on the app as well. But yeah, I'm delighted with it. I think I did really well. I'm really looking forward to showing you how I'm going to do it up. I'm having a look on Pinterest already, because I already had a look on Pinterest, but I'm having a look at Pinterest already to get all the ideas and all the bits that I had. I think inside, like Joanne Condren was saying, paint inside white. So I think that's a good idea. White, and then with shelving. And I think that's like a great start. But apart from that, I don't really know. And I'm hoping that it doesn't go. I'll show you. I'm hoping that it doesn't go. Like, that's going to be gone. So what I'm hoping is it's going to go on this wall rather than that wall. But I think it'll end up going on that wall, to be honest. Let's see. Oh God, what's that noise? Swear to God, this is my house. It's a house of noises. I am doing a whole minimalist thing, so I hope like this will help me do it. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I think it looks nice. I don't know. Oh God, give me a second. I'm gonna put it that way and just see if I move that shelf, and would that be fine? Like, I don't want more stuff, I want less stuff. And that was the whole point of getting this in a weird kind of way. Getting something so I can have it left. Get in there, you know. But I don't see the point of it. The wall is too busy, I think. Woo! Oh my God. I think this is stunning. Let me see. Can the elephant go up there? Yes, she can. We are happy out. Oh, I'm loving her. I actually think it's really nice. Like, really nice. I can't get over how nice that looks. How nice is that for... Wow. And because of where it is, it doesn't look like a wardrobe now. It just looks like a piece of furniture. And then even the bookshelf does not look horrible there, although it's going to be gone. It doesn't look the worst. But I don't want anything there. I just want that to be there, and that's that. But still, it looks really nice. Wow. Hey guys, so this was just basically a mini vlog. It wasn't even a day in the life. I was meant to go to my mom. I was meant to do so much, but I'm slowly beginning to realize I can only do so many things in one day. But I love her. She's lovely. Bookshelf has to go because I want this wall. This will be the only thing that's going to be in here. It's kind of like one thing comes, one thing goes. The bookshelf is going to be gone. Another shelf over there is going to be gone. Maybe it'll be moved to another room. I don't know. Maybe the kids' room. I thought that bookshelf, I would have been able to put it up high, but I just think it just makes the wall too busy. So we're just going to leave it as is. I'm going to still have to find somewhere to put my books, but I think that will be simple enough. I could use another wall and make that like a bookshelf wall or a feature wall or something. But I kind of feel like anytime you get a piece of furniture, which that is a big piece, like 2 pieces will have to go. So that one will go. And I have a shelf over there with my plants. That will go